Pink one.
And that one. What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What are we doing today?
Making a snowstorm.
A snowstorm.
Yeah.
Just like this. What you got? Some baby oil, some paint, some food coloring, that,
and some water and some of these. And these came from band bombs.
Let's get to it.
First, just put my baby oil in there.
Okay, pour it. Pour slowly. Pour.
Second, you said to put some water in here.
Okay, let's pour it up. Pour it all in there.
Pour all of it.
All right, keep going. All of it. Okay.
Oh, almost went to the top.
Go to the top.
Almost. Next is I put the white water.
White paint in the water.
White paint in the water.
Pour it.
All of it. We're going that. We're going this paint. Next, you said to mix the water together.
Okay. Swirl it. Scrape the bottom.
Kind of looks like milk.
It does look like milk, huh?
Next, you said put.
Some of those in there. Look at that. Grab a handful and throw it in there.
Even though some spilled. We just put these in first.
Ooh.
They were like there.
Okay, just grab a handful and just throw it in there. Okay. Ooh.
Looks like a rainbow. With that couple of these.
These are Pikachus and ducks and dogs and things. Throw them in there. Ooh.
What the? Next is I have to put the food coloring.
Okay, 1 or 2 drops.
One,
1, 2.
two.
Okay, go to the next one. Gonna make a multicolored snowstorm, huh? It's gonna be pink and blue and purple.
One,
Stonii wanted it.
Two.
Okay, some more. Ooh, this is gonna be so cool.
1, 2. Then you said put the apple slicer.
Alka Seltzer.
The Seltzer.
Yeah, you gotta rip it open. Rip it. Okay, we got all the Alka Seltzer broken up. Let me see. Break them up like that. Now you're gonna put them all in your hand. And then you got it all. Okay. Let's get it going. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at this snowy storm. Wow. You might put too much. It might be overflowing. Oh no. Uh-oh. You might have overflowed it. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Overflow.
Snowstorm. Oh, it got too crazy. That's all right. It got too crazy for us. We put too many. Okay, we did a little too much last time, huh? Too many Alka Seltzers.
And then exploded.
Exploded.
Yes.
But good thing about this, you can do it over and over again. So let's try again. So you can really see the snowstorm. Okay. Whoa. See it? Whoa.
Put a couple more.
Yeah, keep going. Oh. See the beads in there. Oh.
I'll check the purse, but again.
Oh, look like it might overflow again.
Oh yes, it will.
Think so? No, I think we're good this time. Oh, see the little beads jumping around?
See, it's coming up.
Alka Seltzer.
She's coming up.
Uh-oh, I did too much again.
It's not too much. I hope.
Okay. It's all blue. Got the blue storm.
I never seen a blue storm before.
Here's your first time seeing it right there. Your blue storm. What you think? Is that cool? You ready to do different colors? Coach Stonii wants to make a multicultural snowstorm. Okay, let's get to it.
Good.
Pour it in. Squeeze them out. Whoa, that's the purple snowstorm. Yeah, keep going.
Now check out
Cool.
the colors below.
Let's see. The next one. Whoa. Dump it out. Get the next one. Get the
There's
next one.
some more in here. Whoa. Look at the blue one.
Blue is the best one.
Huh?
So the blue and pink one is the best one. Oh, you see your toysies in there.
What the? Look at the dog.
The dog is stuck in there. Ooh, doggy.
You know that dog stays up.
Ooh, that's cool, isn't it? Ooh.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Toodles.